Ready to fire up your backyard BBQ game? We've tested the hottest gas grills of 2025, so you don't waste a single steak or burger this summer. Stick around to find out which grill truly sizzles above the rest and which one deserves a spot on your patio. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which grill is best for you. Your feedback helps us keep making these reviews better. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. 3 Embers GAS7480BS. If any grill deserves the title Built Like a Tank, it's the 3 Embers 4-burner gas grill. When this thing arrived, it came in the heaviest box I've ever seen, strapped to a pallet that barely held up under the weight. But don't let that intimidate you. Assembly was actually refreshingly simple. All you have to do is attach the side tables, since the drawers and cabinet door are already in place right out of the box. Visually, this grill is a showstopper. It features a large glass viewing window, sleek stainless steel construction, and burner knobs that glow blue when lit. It's the only grill we tested with stainless steel grates, which did stain a bit over time, but they left beautiful sear marks on burgers and steaks. The overall look is professional and modern, making it a real centerpiece for any backyard. Performance-wise, the 3 Embers delivered the most consistent heat across all 4 burners, though it did run a bit hotter in the front. It also excelled at low temperatures, holding a steady 375 degrees Fahrenheit, with all burners on low, which is perfect for slow cooking or smoking. The side burner is a handy bonus for heating up sauces or side dishes while you grill. The only real downside? The grates have gaps that let thin veggies like asparagus fall through, so you'll want to use a grill basket for smaller items. But if you want a massive, professional-looking grill that can cook over 24 burgers at once, this is it. Just be ready for its weight and the higher price tag. It's definitely an investment, but one that pays off if you're serious about grilling. Number 2. Genesis EPX-335. Weber consistently tops our list for gas grills, and the new Genesis EPX-335 Smart Gas Grill is no exception. This grill heats up fast, sears beautifully, and delivers impressively even heat across the entire cooking surface. Building on the award-winning Genesis design, the EPX-335 adds smart features and clever storage for grill accessories. Perfect for Weber-crafted inserts like pizza stones or rotisserie skewers. Nighttime grilling is easier than ever thanks to built-in lights that illuminate the knobs and grill surface when you open the lid. Just pop in a few C batteries and you're set for after-dark cookouts. No flashlight required. The real highlight here is Weber Connect technology. With Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can monitor grill and food temperatures right from your phone using the Weber Connect app. 2 built-in probe thermometers and an LED panel on the side table keep you informed, so you never have to guess if your steak is done. The only thing we wish it had was an analog thermometer on the lid for those times when the grill isn't powered. Assembly is a bit of a challenge due to all the electronics. It took us nearly 2 hours to put together. But once it's set up, the smart features are genuinely useful, especially if you like to multitask or entertain while grilling. If you're not planning to use the smart features though, the regular Genesis might be a better value for you. Number 3. Genesis E310. If you're willing to spend a bit more for extra space and top-tier build quality, the Genesis E310 is a fantastic upgrade. With room for up to 24 burgers compared to 18 on the Weber Spirit Nassau E310, you get a larger cooking surface without sacrificing performance. Both grills deliver similar BTUs per square inch and produce perfectly grilled burgers and chicken, with a powerful sear zone for that ideal char. The Genesis 2 stands out with its side-mounted propane tank, protected by a windshield, and 4 wheels for easy mobility. Its all-metal lid and handle give it a professional, sleek appearance that looks great on any patio. We also appreciated the thoughtful design touches, like a fold-down side table for compact storage and a foldable warming rack. Plus, it's ready for iGrill 3 Bluetooth thermometers if you want to upgrade your grilling tech. Weber's 10-year warranty against corrosion and rust adds peace of mind, making the higher price easier to justify. If you want a durable, spacious grill that's built to last, the Genesis EPX-335 is a smart investment for years of great grilling. Number 4. Weber Spirit EPX-310. The Weber Spirit EPX-310 may be Weber's entry-level model, but it certainly doesn't perform like one. In every test, it was our favorite to use, delivering perfect sear marks on burgers, evenly cooked chicken, and flawless asparagus. While it holds 18 burgers, a bit less than our upgrade pick, everyone cooked evenly and to perfection. Don't let the 30,000 BTUs fool you. This grill gets impressively hot. We easily created indirect heat for slow cooking, and with all burners on low, it reached 400 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than some higher BTU models we tested. Weber's attention to detail shines through. The Spirit EPX-310 features a side-mounted propane tank with a gas meter, sturdy side tables, and perfectly fitting cooking grates. Handy hooks for grilling tools and a lid designed to vent smoke away from your face add to the thoughtful design. It's also iGrill 3 compatible for smart grilling. Assembly was straightforward thanks to a clear manual, making it easier to build than most grills we tested. For its performance, ease of use, and smart features, the Weber Spirit EPX-310 is our top pick and absolutely worth the investment. Number 5. Weber Spirit SX315 Smart Grill. The Wi-Fi-enabled Weber Spirit SX315 features 3 stainless steel burners and matches the performance of our top pick, the Weber Spirit EPX-310. The main difference is the smart panel on the side table. Instead of a traditional lid thermometer, the SX315 uses an LED panel connected to an ambient temperature probe, displaying the grill's temperature digitally. It also has 2 probe ports for monitoring the internal temperature of your food. This grill is truly smart, connecting via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to the Weber Connect app. You can check grill and food temperatures, follow step-by-step recipes, use guided grilling programs, and even get low fuel alerts, all from your phone. The higher price reflects these smart features, which are especially helpful for beginners. The app provides real-time alerts like when to flip your steak or wrap your pork shoulder, making it easy to achieve perfect results every time. However, if you're already comfortable grilling or have a newer grill, you may not need to upgrade. The Weber Connect Smart Grilling Hub offers similar features and works with any grill, making it a flexible alternative for most users. If you want the ultimate grilling experience, the Weber Genesis EPX-335 is our top pick for 2025. Powerful, smart, and built to last. You really can't go wrong with this backyard beast. Let us know which grill you choose, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and grilling tips. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!